Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. I'm excited to show you this recipe. It's the whipped shea and avocado hair and body butter. It's super moisturizing for your hair and skin, and it has so many benefits. If you would like to learn how to make this, then please keep on watching and I'll show you the steps. I will be using shea butter and avocado butter, as well as sweet almond and jojoba oil. I will have the exact measurements in the description box, and you can use whatever combination of oils or butters in this recipe. You want to begin by melting the butters. I used a pot of hot water and set that there. I waited about 10 to 15 minutes until everything was properly melted. This is what it's looking like now. It's completely melted. At this time, I will add my oils to the mixture and mix thoroughly. If you don't want a greasy mixture, you can use arrowroot powder. Add it to your oils first before adding to your melted butter. I covered with a cling wrap and left it in the fridge for about 2 hours. You can put in the freezer if you want it to be quicker. You don't want a too solid mixture, so it's something that's firm and that will let you whip the mixture. So here I'm going to use my hand mixer and I'm going to start mixing. If this is your first time watching my video, you are welcome, and I hope you would consider subscribing to my channel. My name is Esther and I love all things DIY, hair and skincare. So here I'm just adding my essential oils. You can use whatever essential oils you like. This is just to give it a nice scent, nice fragrance, because shea butter has a very nutty smell. So this will help. So I just kept whipping and look at how nice and fluffy this looks. In all, I whipped the mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes, and depending on what you're going for, if you want a very thick mixture, then use more butter. If you need something on the lighter texture, then use more oils. So this is what it looks like. I put everything in a Ziploc bag, and that's what I'm going to use to transfer to my container. Shea butter is fast absorbing. It has high levels of fatty acids and vitamins. That's great for anti-inflammatory and healing properties, while avocado butter is rich in vitamins A, D, and E, and greatly beneficial for your hair and skin. So this makes it an amazing butter to use on both your hair and skin. So I just cut a hole in my bag, and then I'm going to put that in my containers. Our hair and body butter is ready for use. It is super creamy, it is light and fluffy, feels amazing on the skin. Go on and try this out. I promise you're going to love this. If you find this too greasy for you, then try the arrowroot powder. That will help a lot. So go on and try this out, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider doing that. And please comment, like, and share this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, be well and take care. Bye bye.